Welcome to our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. A is for apple, B is for bat, C is for carrot, D is for doctor, E is for earth, F is for frog, G is for glasses, H is for hippo, I is for ice cubes, J is for jet, K is for kite, L is for lamp, M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for onion, P is for penguin, Q is for kite, R is for rabbit, S is for spider, T is for tomato, U is for UFO, V is for volcano, W is for wall, X is for X-ray, Y is for yarn, Z is for zip. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.